what is the state of retails today? We know new normal is here. Your business in the past was probably fairly predictable and stable. That is no longer the case today. In today's world of new normal, the only constant in business is change, and you have to be agile enough to respond rapidly to changing market conditions before competition does. So, for example, in the next slide, customer experience is king. Okay, Omnichannel has changed the game. So consumers expect you to know what they want, when they want it, and how they want it. If you can't satisfy they just moving on. And in number two, in this omnichannel era, agility is a must. If you don't have the ability to adapt and accommodate, it can mean the difference between competitive differentiation, quality service. We call this what we call this timely product delivery or nimble decision making, and can have a major impact on your business. To operate successfully in a fast-changing retail landscape, flexibility and adaptability is crucial. Number three is to satisfy customers and improve operations. A 360 view is required. Whether you have multiple channels, international customers, warehouses, multiple websites, or source products from different markets, you are operating in a huge environment. With this being said, you need a strategy that allows you to expand quickly and test before investing too much. You need to be able to quickly assess and understand local market conditions and adapt for impact on your business. Again, change is constant. What is next in anyone's guess? How do you future-proof today's investments? Your customers expect to be able to shop from any digital touchpoint at any time. Your vendors, suppliers need you to conform to changes in supply chain operations. Your employees are looking to be able to access corporate system anytime, anywhere, and from different types of smart devices. And who knows what's coming next? The only thing that is certain is that the that new technology will continue to have a significant impact, and you need to be able to future-proof what's coming next. So finally, multiple business models is the norm. Companies that build products are more morphing into delivering those products as a service. Companies that deliver a service are packing those services together to deliver them as a product. Brand manufacturers are going direct to the customer, or we call it D2C, and becoming hugely successful at retail. Retailers are moving into new channels and geographies. Distributors are going online into B2C space. Next slide. So, study shows way back in 2013 and 14 that social networks and commerce dramatically changed the dynamic between buyers and seller. Customers now have unlimited access to information with an average increase of 256% in data consumer, and 70% of mobile searches lead to action within an hour versus 1 month with desktop. Yung statistics of Asia internet use, population statistics data, and Facebook data as of January 2020, Philippines is one of the biggest share of internet users in Asia with 3.4%. Can you imagine? This is changing the entire way products are sourced, manufactured, and distributed, and making business more complex than ever. So let's talk about the trends in omnichannel retail for the next slide. Okay. So first is the in-store pickup and fulfillment. The impact here is additional in-store purchases. We talk about the cross-sell and upsell and optimize inventory. Number two is in-store returns. In-store repurchases, converting the return back into a sale. So number three is the recovering from out of stock. The impact here is sale of OS item or out of stocks item, as well as companion and item, and also salvage future shopping trips. Fourth one is available to promise sourcing. Impact here is the inventory reduction by sourcing from in-transit inventory, so before it arrives at the distribution center. So next slide. We have sourcing from end-of-life inventory. The impact here is a reduced markdowns by sourcing from inventory pools with excess inventory. We have also the self-service. The impact is reduction in the number of calls made to call centers and improve customer satisfaction due to increased ease. We have also the same-day shipping. The impact here is the meeting the fast and growing needs of customers and save sales due to speed of delivery. So last one is the marketplace. Impact here is expanded assortment and increased revenue by reaching larger audience. Okay, next slide. So what is driving this growth and why are retailers choosing to build with NetSuite? It comes down fundamentally to these five tenants. First one is a single cloud base for all systems users. So with NetSuite, you can run the core of your business with a single platform, with all systems and user accessing the same data, a unified data model. So one version of truth. Number two is flexibility is built in. So as your business changes, you can change your business system. Imagine that. And unlike the old guard configuration and customizations are not dirty words that require an army of developers or lock you in a single version with no prospect of an easy upgrade. So number three is design for modern business. Build from the ground up, what we call a ground up and as an easy to use cloud solution. NetSuite transform both the accessibility of your systems as well as the capabilities it delivers to your organization and beyond to your customers and partners. We'll talk more about that shortly. Number four is commerce system. So NetSuite is also a commerce system. That's right. Your back-end system and front-end commerce systems can all run on a single platform. And the last is it's proven with more than 30,000 organizations across more than 100 countries running on NetSuite. We have a proven track record of strong financials, coupled with delivering a secure, scalable solution. We're here today to invest in our future together for tomorrow. So why NetSuite for retail? As real-time cloud-based, it's an omni-channel ready solution, which eliminates large ongoing maintenance costs associated with on-premise deployment, enabling you to better engage and service as NetSuite delivers a single commerce platform that's designed around your customers and not channels. So a modern platform that allows for number one, rapid deployment. Number two, scalability as the business grows. And number three is customization without version lock. So what you need instead to stay competitive in today's world is a modern system that is designed more integrated around all your business processes. As you can see, from the core of your customers, order and financial operations on out, that allows you to manage all the components of your back office, from inventory to order management and financial. In addition to the multiple channels you're selling, from in-store at the POS to kiosk, call centers, and multiple e-commerce sites, kindly click again, that allows the owners or all your C-level management to easily access information in a way that's tailored to your specific role. And kindly click. But it's not just about your employees. It's also about extending access out to your customers, partners, and vendors, as well as any external systems that you may want to automate access for in the future. So nandiyan na po yung mga mobile, web, etc. So NetSuite can be used in any devices as long as you have an internet access. Name it, your laptop, computer, tablet, or your personal phone. NetSuite is available 24/7, 356 all year long. It is secure, scalable, and always updated with the latest requirements. This will make your work or task much handy and accessible. Just think of it, approvals just a click away. And when you need an efficient and reliable in real-time manner reports like what we call financial, production, inventory, sales, it will provide you and you can use it to have a solid plan or forecasting for your business. So NetSuite will provide the agility, flexibility, and scalability your business needs to power your innovation and growth. NetSuite will make your business adapt to what challenges affront or after this pandemic. All of this will be supported by Kaisa and NetSuite. No need to worry. We will help you hand in hand.